Okay, now we're done with the other challenges. So I think you watched already what I did in my previous video. So now we're just heading to our next location, but I don't know where. Actually, that's the where you can climb, go up and there. That's the route. But I'd rather go have a shortcut because I don't have a climbing tool again and again. So it's better to be safe than sorry, you know. So I'm just taking my own risk to um, have my own route or find my own way. So I think it's fine here. It's pretty neat, fine in this side, and I hope we make it. Hi mga vlogs! So ayun, I'm heading back down now kasi it's gonna be almost 5 p.m. and my guest will be landing at 5 around there also. So I need to head down right now or else it's gonna be really dark and I don't want to be alone here in the middle of nowhere, dark, you know, or madilim. So bahala na kayo. Ano na aking English. So ayun na lang, update ko na lang kayo later on pag nandun na ako sa baba. So I'll see you. So I found the perfect spot to rest, guys. So here, ayan, mag-isa lang tayo dito. And ayan, pinakatuktok. So hindi na ako pupunta dyan dahil nga gagabihin ako and wala akong climbing tool and mag-isa ko lang kasi yung guest ko, iba ang route ang kanyang tinatahak. So ayun na lang, magpapahinga na lang muna ako dito and update ko na lang kayo later on pag nandun na tayo sa baba. Okay, so I'll see you. Hi mga bakla! Quick update! So yes, we made it here sa baba. And now I'm just going to the parking lot to the car so that we can rest and also wait our guests. And also, I'm just gonna show you this. Diba? Ang lalim. Kasing lalim ng aking chumaring. Charot lang. Ng aking chururot. And ayan. Ito yung tsura dito. Ay, ang fresh ko dito. Bongga. Ganyan dapat, di ba? Dapat ganyan palagi para fresh tayo palagi. And ayan, ito ang ating view sa baba. This is the view down. Ayan. Ay, may tao doon.